3 customer rights that you should be aware of when ordering wine at a restaurant. Number 1, as a customer, you have the right to ask questions about the wines on the wine list, and it is the restaurant's responsibility to have knowledgeable, well-trained staff who can explain what the wine will taste like or make proper recommendations about the kind of foods that you might enjoy these wines with. Number 2, as a customer, you have the right to be served wine which is in a good condition. Too many restaurants do not invest in proper storage systems, they don't store the wines well, and a lot of the restaurants are also sitting on very old inventory of wines that have gone bad that invariably find their way into your glasses. As a customer, you are well within your right to reject such wines when you taste them. And number 3, as a customer, you are well within your right to be served wine at the correct service temperature. So serving your sparkling wines chilled, your white wines cold, and your red wines cool. And just as you would never accept cold food or warm beer, you are well within your right to ask for an ice bucket, even if it's to cool your reds. Come along and tag a friend in the comments who needs to know these customer rights. Tell me what have been some of your experiences. Cheers.